Hello, good day to you all and welcome back. So today I want to teach you guys how I produce this lovely and wonderful soap. So you can see how beautiful it looks like. So we'll just go straight to the production process. Over here is my palm kernel oil. So I'll be making use of two palm kernel oils of the same measurement. You can see the both of them are 850 grams each. Same thing with my caustic soda. I'll be making use of two caustic sodas with the same measurement. You can see the both of them too are also 142 grams each. This is my sodium silicate. I'm making use of 85 grams. Then this is the water I'll use and dissolve the caustic soda. I'm making use of 350 grams each. Two different containers with different water of the same measurement. Then over here is my color. Don't forget we're making soap that has two colors. So these are two different colors because of the kind of soap we'll be making. Then over here is my fragrance, so that to give our soap a lovely smell or scent. So first of all, we want to dissolve our caustic soda. This is also called lye. It's either called caustic soda or it is called lye. So we want to dissolve it. So when dissolving caustic soda, it usually becomes very hot. You have to keep it aside for it to cool down, or you keep it aside for it to get warm. Not necessarily cool down, but when the temperature is warm, you can also use it. So I'm dissolving both caustic soda or lye. Another name for this is called lye if you are not used to the caustic soda. So I'll dissolve the both of them and keep them aside for them to become warm. Also, don't forget I conduct online classes. You can reach me with this number displayed on the screen here to join my class, or you check the description of this video. You'll find a link at the description of the video. You simply click on the link to join the class. Don't forget, at the description of the video, you will see a link. Click on it to join the class. Also, when making the cold process soap, you have to make sure you warm your oils. Whatsoever oil you're using, you have to warm it. Warming of oil helps your soap not to get to a thick trace during production. Thick trace is a process or something that happens during soap making where your soap batter becomes very thick to the extent you cannot stir it again, or you can't easily pour it into your soap mold. This usually results to a rough soap. It makes your soap look rough and not smooth. So when you warm your oil, it helps the batter to look a little bit watery and not thick, because that's what you want to achieve. If it's too thick, you will not achieve a smooth surface soap. Your soap surface will look very rough. So I have finished warming the oil. You just have to warm it. It doesn't necessarily have to become very hot. Just warm. Once the temperature is warm, use it to make your soap. After 24 hours, this is the result. The soap is now hard, so we are going to take it out of the soap mold. Then also don't forget, we are selling soap equipment. We have soap stamps, we have soap molds. If you need a soap stamp or a soap mold, especially this type of soap mold, we are selling it. We have them in stock. If you need it, you can reach me on the phone number displayed on the screen to purchase this mold. We deliver nationwide, and we also deliver beyond Nigeria. If you're in other countries, we can also send or ship this mold down to your country. It's actually very affordable. And with this type of mold, you don't need a soap cutter because of the way it is made or constructed. This mold is made in a way that you don't need a cutter again. It just cuts the soap for you. After production, you can see our soap has been cut already, so you don't need to cut it again or use a cutter to cut it. Don't forget, we deliver nationwide and we deliver to other countries. So if you need it, you can reach me on the number displayed on the screen of this video to purchase it. You can chat with the seller to purchase it. So you can see how beautiful this our soap looks like. So thank you all for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to share this video. Don't forget to comment. Don't forget to like, especially subscribing to the channel so that you'll be updated by our new videos. And don't forget to reach me to purchase this soap mold. Thank you for watching and see you all next time. Goodbye.